Hi there, kiddos. I want you to work on this assignment, and I'm going to make this into 3 or 4 parts. I haven't decided exactly yet, but I'm going to make a little video to go with each section so that if you're confused about what to do, or if you don't remember quite that part of the periodic table, then you should know. Okay, so what are the names of the following elements? So you are going to use a periodic table, and I have one attached to this. And well, it was in the iron sulfur lab, so I'm going to attach that slide for you to open. And I want you to go and look for these symbols, and I want you to choose the correct element. And I just use the same list throughout for these. So the list is quite lengthy, but you should be able to find the name. And I'm trying to be a little tricky, so don't go with the first one because like there's protactinum and prosadium, and so who knows which one it will be. Go check the periodic table. I want you to practice using it. Okay. And in section 2, it is just the reverse of that. You are going to go find the symbols for the following names. So yttrium is kind of easy. I wasn't really interested in making it more difficult, so it is Y. Scandium, you may have to go check to see which ones it is on this one. Okay. On the third section, I want you to tell me what period are the following elements found in. Remember, that's what row it is in. So copper, for instance, I believe is in period 3. Now let me show you with the picture at the top here. Remember that the top row is period 1, and the second row is period 2, and the third row is period 3, and then the fourth row is period 4. There are only 7 periods, and I'm sorry, I just told you wrong for copper. It is in period number 4. Okay, so be sure and fix that one. Not period 3. And then the next section is asking you a similar thing. It wants to know how many energy levels, and that's the period tells you how many energy levels. So for fluorine, for instance, let's go see if we can see it on this periodic table up here. Fluorine is right here. It's in period 2. It's in the second row. So that tells us it has 2 rings. 2 rings. So 2 rings. 1 ring for the top row, 2 rings for the second row, 3 rings for the third row, 4 rings for the fourth row, and so on. There are only 7 rows, 7 rings, 7 energy levels. Okay? Alrighty. Let's see here. That was, what did we say? 2, 3, 2? I can't remember now. Let's get that periodic table back up here. 2. 2. Okay. 2. 2. Okay. I'll stick another little video in here above part 4.